I do this because I love to help people. I don't want to see any parent have to bury their kids. I've been to funerals of people who have died from addiction, and it's not fun. You know, people who are my age or people that I've grown up with. So just if you're struggling, reach out to somebody. You know, whether it's a teacher, counselor. If you're not too sure about talking to your parents, just speak up. You know, you have a voice. There's always somebody that's going to be listening, and you're not alone. After I went through I got this period of constantly telling myself I can do this on my own. I got this. And I realized that I don't have it, and that I can't do this on my own. That I need to get outside help. So I just went ahead and asked for it. I never asked for help under any circumstances. I always figured things out on my own. Growing up, I was always good at puzzles, but this was just a puzzle that was just not worth even trying on my own, because I can't do it on my own. It's too big. So I needed a few more hands. I needed a few more people to help me put the pieces together, put the pieces of my life back together for me, because I can't do it on my own, and I realized that.